In this video, we show how to complete the self-install for Bell Pure Fibre services. Start by making sure you have all your equipment: the Giga 2.0 modem, any Fibe TV receivers, and Wi-Fi pods. The first step is to connect the modem to the fiber jack. Using the supplied fiber cable, plug one end into the modem and the other end into the fiber jack, this type or this type. Then plug in the power. The boot up and configuration could take up to 15 minutes. Once finished, you can connect Wi-Fi devices using the supplied Wi-Fi name and password accessible from the modem's control panel. If you ordered Wi-Fi pods, plug them into outlets around your home. To finish their setup, download the Bell Wi-Fi app. For home phone, plug the phone cord into Tel1 on the modem. Setting up Fibe TV is as simple as downloading the Bell Fibe TV app on any smart TV and/or streaming device. But if you ordered Fibe TV receivers, it's time to connect them. Connect the HDMI cable to the TV and the receiver. Then plug in the power. Select the correct HDMI input on the TV and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. For subscription services like Crave, Netflix, or Disney+, open the activation email you've received and click Activate Now. Then log into the MyBell app to complete the registration of your services. For more support, visit bell.ca/support or visit our community forum at bell.ca/forum.